Content creation got you down. Ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of content? You're not alone. The pressure to create, post, engage, repeat, it's exhausting. And burnout, it's real. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be this way? Consistency is key in the content game, but it's not about becoming a content machine. It's about finding your rhythm, your voice, and your pace. It's about building a sustainable system that works for you, not against you. We're going to break it down. Simple steps, actionable advice. Let's do this. Here's the truth. Perfection is a myth. It's a sneaky little voice that whispers, it's not good enough, holding you back from putting yourself out there. Ditch the perfectionism. Embrace progress. Content creation is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about showing up consistently, even when you don't feel like it. Some days your content will be fire, other days it'll be lukewarm. And that's okay. What matters is that you're learning, growing, and evolving with each piece of content you create. Focus on getting 1% better every day. Small improvements lead to massive results over time. Trust the process. Introverts, this one's for you. You have a unique perspective that the world needs to hear. I get it. Putting yourself out there can feel daunting. The fear of judgment and the pressure to be perfect can be overwhelming. The thought of creating content consistently might make you want to crawl under a rock. But remember, every great creator started somewhere. But here's the secret. You don't have to be the loudest voice in the room to be heard. Your authenticity and passion will resonate with the right audience. Start small. Experiment. Find what feels good for you. It's okay to take baby steps. Maybe it's writing short, insightful posts. Your words can inspire and connect with others. Maybe it's recording quick videos, sharing your expertise. Your knowledge is valuable and can help others. Maybe it's engaging with your audience in the comments section. Building a community can be incredibly rewarding. The key is to take action, even if it's just for 5 minutes a day. Consistency breeds momentum, and momentum builds confidence. You got this. Remember, your voice matters. In a world of perfectly curated feeds, authenticity is a breath of fresh air. Embrace your quirks, your humor, your unique perspective. Your style is your superpower. Don't try to be someone you're not. People connect with authenticity. They want to see the real you, not a carbon copy of someone else. So ditch the filters, both literally and figuratively. Let your personality shine through your content. When you're true to yourself, your content will resonate with the right people, the ones who get you, who appreciate your perspective, who value what you bring to the table. That's where the magic happens. Section 5, content hacks. Work smarter, not harder. Time is your most valuable asset. It's the one thing you can't get more of, so use it wisely. Don't waste it on inefficient content creation strategies. Streamline your process to maximize productivity. Repurposing is your secret weapon. It's not just about working harder, but working smarter. One piece of content can be transformed into multiple formats, reaching different audiences on different platforms. Write a blog post, turn it into social media snippets, quote, graphics, or even infographics to engage your audience. Or even a short video. Record a podcast episode, use it to create a series of blog posts or social media updates. Extract key takeaways for social media posts or blog content. Get creative. Think outside the box. The possibilities are endless. And remember, self-care is non-negotiable. Your well-being directly impacts your productivity. You can't pour from an empty cup. Prioritize your health and well-being. Take breaks, recharge, step away from your work to gain new perspectives. Come back to your content with fresh eyes and a clear mind. You'll be more effective and creative. Section 6, goals, not grinds. Finding your content groove. Creating content without clear goals is like sailing without a destination. You might enjoy the journey, but you'll never reach your full potential. Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Having specific goals gives you direction. It helps you track your progress and celebrate your wins. It transforms the content creation process from a mindless grind into a purposeful pursuit. Remember, your goals are your own. Don't compare your journey to someone else's. Focus on what you want to achieve and create a plan to get there. It's your content, your rules. Section 7: Recharge and reset. Creating your content oasis. Your environment impacts your creativity in profound ways. Designate a space in your home that's your content oasis, a place where your ideas can flourish, a place where you can unplug from distractions and tap into your creative flow, free from the noise of daily life. This space doesn't have to be fancy or elaborate. It could be a cozy corner in your bedroom, a small nook where you feel comfortable, a dedicated desk in your home office, a place solely for your creative endeavors, or even your balcony surrounded by plants where nature can inspire you. The key is to create an environment that inspires you and fuels your passion. Fill your content oasis with things that spark joy and creativity, items that make you happy, a vision board with your goals, inspirational quotes, comfortable seating, good lighting. Make it your sanctuary, a place where your best ideas come to life. Section 8: Level up your content game. Ebook, download, ready to take your content creation to the next level. Download our ebook, The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing, and discover how artificial intelligence can supercharge your content strategy. This comprehensive guide will teach you how to leverage AI tools for content generation, optimization, and audience engagement. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stay ahead of the curve. Click the link below to download your copy now.